Okay, this is definitely not true. There are, in a word, when you file bankruptcy, technically everything you own becomes part of a bankruptcy estate. So it's kind of similar to when somebody dies, all their property goes into an estate. So your property goes into an estate, and the trustee that's assigned to your bankruptcy case has the power to distribute that estate according to the bankruptcy laws. But the reason that you're not going to lose everything that you own is because the bankruptcy code provides for exemptions from that estate, which means that you get to keep a lot of your property. So depending on the state that you're in or the statute that applies, you're going to get to keep a certain portion of proceeds from your house if it's sold, or you can keep the house altogether if it's not worth more than the exemption amount. You can keep your cars up to a certain amount. You can keep clothing. You can keep household items, furniture, dishwashers, clothes washers, all kinds of stuff like that is provided for in the bankruptcy code for you, so that the trustee can't take it and sell it. And then in practicality, the trustee usually doesn't bother to take things that you own and sell them unless they are worth enough money for the trustee to get a significant return on that item. So basically, what that means is that generally in Chapter 7 bankruptcies, you're not going to have to give up anything that you own. The only time that you would lose something is if you have a particularly valuable asset that is very easy to sell and isn't provided for in an exemption. So it's actually pretty uncommon for you to lose anything, let alone everything that you own. In addition to that, if you're filing Chapter 13 bankruptcy, then you get to keep everything that you own. That's part of the deal with the Chapter 13. So that's definitely a misconception.